Alright guys, this is Dwipen and let's see today market behavior and entry and exit point for tomorrow. So basically here we have seen very interesting pattern are forming here. So if you see here, we have seen price drop somewhere there, again pullback, again drop, again goes up, create a new high, again price pullback, and it's a probability to go higher around 16,700. so why we are expecting this is very interesting level. Let me show you. This is a very interesting level they are forming because it's a strong support, and then now first we have seen price pullback, again goes up, create a new low, again goes up, broke this resistance line, again pull back, and it's a probability. So here we have seen this is called head and shoulder pattern. So here have you seen this is they are forming head and shoulder pattern. So what is our next trading strategy as a swing trader or long-term option trader? Not long-term, this is called positional option trader, who people are holding their position for 1 month or week. Okay, so in that case we need a confirmation. So here this is called neckline. So this is called neckline. So once price break this neckline, we're expecting that price will retest this level. So this is the most important level around 16,700 or 800 range. So it's a probability to hit this level. Now question is that will price hit this level very soon? So all are probability. All right, so in that case we are using some option strategy. So just a minute, let me remove all drawing tools. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now here we have seen this is the most important level for tomorrow. So this is a strong supporting line. Now price trying to break this supporting line again and again. Somewhere here this level price hit and reverse back, price multiple rejection from this area and reverse back, price multiple rejection. Have you seen the reverse back and exactly price near supporting level? So we never know, right? So if price break this supporting line, it's a probability to retest this lower point or slightly higher, or it may slightly lower. So we are expecting if price open below this supporting line, so we are expecting that price will retest this level. Okay, so let me show you some interesting level for entry and exit. Let me remove. Okay, now let's see here. Let me draw this line as a supporting line. Now let's jump to H1 chart to find out our entry and exit point. So somewhere here, let me add just little bit. Okay, so my supporting line will be around this one 15,000 almost 700. So this is my supporting line somewhere here. So means if price break this supporting line, so we'll go for short, or we are focusing on a sell direction, and the next target will be near this level. Have you seen? Means once price break this supporting line, is a probability to retest this level 15,000 let's say 400. That will be our next target. 15,400 will be our next target if price break this level. Or if price open a gap up and the next our target will be around 15,800 somewhere here. So means we are expecting if price open gap down somewhere below this level, so we'll go for sell, and next target will be around 15,400, and if price open a gap up, so next target will be around 15,800. And then let's see global market. So if you now see, this is global indices, all are negative. So here we can see every market are negative, and if you want to see the future market, future indices, all are negative. So it's the most probability that price will gap down, and we are looking for short, or basically we are looking for buy in a put option, and the next target around 15,400. And another, if you see like bank Nifty bank, let's see Nifty bank. Let me draw this line. Okay, just a minute. Okay, Nifty bank. Okay, price is not loading exactly. Let me open somewhere here. Okay, this one Nifty bank, and the same pattern they are forming, and basically we are looking for buy above this level. So this level around 33,000 is a strong support, that we are looking for short below this 33,000. It's a probability to retest this level, and if price stay above this 33,000, it's a probability to create a new high, because they forming here lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and the lower low, and the finally price not able to create lower low. It's a probability to bounce again from this area, because it's a strong support. And let's see in small time frame like H1. Okay, this one H1 chart is a strong support. Have you seen this in a strong support somewhere here? Have you seen multiple rejection, price trying again and again? Have you seen price multiple rejection from this area, and multiple rejection in this area? So we are basically looking for buy above 33,000 level. Okay, so if price break this level, next target will be around 32,500. So next target is a probability to retest this level, and if price open a gap up, and the next target around 34,000, that will be our target. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.